planet is facing a massive challenge, climate change. What is it? Why is it happening? And what can we do to stop it? We'll talk about one of the most urgent challenges of our time, climate change. Climate change, that word is everywhere at the moment. Documentaries, podcasts, conference, you name it, climate change.
Climate change is
Climate change.
Climate change.
climate change.
Climate change.
Climate change.
It's not just a distant problem or a scientific term. It's something that's reshaping our world in real time. Did you know that the Earth's average temperature has already risen by 1.1 degrees Celsius since the pre-industrial era? That may not sound like much, but even a 1 degree Celsius change can cause massive disruption to our climate systems. In this video, we'll cover what climate change is, how it's affecting us, and most importantly, the solution we can adopt to create a sustainable future. So what exactly is climate change? In simple terms, it's the long-term change in global weather patterns, especially rising temperatures due to human activities. When we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas for energy, we release greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane. These come from using gasoline for driving a car or coal for heating a building. For example, clearing land and cutting down forests can also release carbon dioxide. Agriculture, oil, and gas operation are major sources of methane emissions. Energy, industry, transport, buildings, and land use are among the main factors causing greenhouse gases. These gases trap heat from the sun in our atmosphere, creating a greenhouse effect. The more we emit, the hotter our planet gets. But that's not all. Deforestation, industrial pollution, and even waste mismanagement contribute to this crisis.
The impact of climate change are all around us and they're getting worse every year. The average temperature of the Earth's surface is now about 1.2 degrees Celsius warmer than it was in the late 1800s before the Industrial Revolution, and warmer than at any time in the last 100,000 years. The last decade was the warmest on record, and each of the last 4 decades has been warmer than any previous decade since 1850. Many people think climate change mainly means warmer temperatures, but temperature is only the beginning of the story. Because the Earth is a system where everything is connected, change in one area can influence change in all others. The consequences of climate change now include, among others, intense drought, water scarcity, severe fires, rising sea levels, flooding, melting polar ice, catastrophic storm, and declining biodiversity.
We have the tools and knowledge to combat climate change and create a sustainable future. These solutions include transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, hydropower, improving energy efficiency, promoting sustainable transportation, and restoring nature through reforestation. Additionally, reducing waste and adopting a circular economy will help conserve resources and minimize emissions. Switching from fossil fuels to renewable is essential, but we must act quickly. While many countries aim for net zero emission by 2050, emissions must be halved by 2030 to keep warming below 1.5 degrees Celsius. This requires cutting fossil fuel use by at least 30% by 2030 to avoid catastrophic climate impact. Despite the challenges, there is hope. Ambitious climate targets are being set, technology is advancing, and global movements are pushing for change. By working together, we can create a healthier, more sustainable world for future generations. Together, we can create the generations to come.
So, what can we do to stop climate change?
You can start with small actions such as bring your own tumbler to reduce single-use plastic waste from bottled water.
Unplug chargers or device when they're not in use to prevent energy waste.
Plant or care for trees and plants as they absorb carbon dioxide and improve air quality.
Turn off lights when you leave a room to save energy.
Walk, bike, or use public transportation instead of driving, which reduces greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. By making these small adjustments, we can collectively create a ripple effect toward a more sustainable lifestyle, while lowering our carbon footprint. Climate change is a global challenge, but every action, big or small, matters.
Together, we can make a difference. The future of our planet depends on us.